What if AI replaced all human jobs? Imagine what society would look like. It could replace the cashier at your local grocery store, the receptionist at the dentist office, and even your Uber driver. Imagine not having to interact with anyone for all your services in society. But this would mean everyone who did not work in a specialized field, the people with little to no education, and those who are not capable of working technical jobs would be put in a difficult situation. And we're talking about jobs that low income communities and young people depend on the most. AI could create a society where new jobs will be highly complicated and require high levels of education. So most people will not be able to do them. This replacement of human jobs is what has left people apprehensive about integrating AI into society in the first place. But is this situation as scary as some make it out to seem? While AI will transform the way we work, there is still a lot of misinformation about the actual impact. It may not be entirely doom and gloom for society. It may actually benefit people by making work easier for humans. For instance, Google found that their search engine could hire a bot as an entry level coder. This would be able to improve the efficiency of searches and assist human coders with certain processes. And Amazon employees who tested ChatGPT said it does a good job of answering customer service support questions. This could potentially replace customer service employees at Amazon, or it could assist them. Because while AI does a good job at solving problems, human judgment is still necessary to avoid errors and bias. Many users of ChatGPT have found that the bot sometimes generates misinformation, incorrect answers to coding problems, and errors with basic math. So I'm not too sure that it's going to fully replace human roles. When it comes to other fields, AI has proven even more useful. It can help media jobs, including advertising, writing, journalism, and any creation based role. This is because AI is able to read, write, and understand text based data entry pretty well, and some parts of the media industry have already begun to experiment with AI generated content. For example, CNET, the tech news site, has used AI tools to write many articles with some corrections from the publisher, and BuzzFeed has used tech from the ChatGPT maker to generate new forms of content such as quizzes and travel guides. With these tools, writers and publishers can focus on the creative ideas rather than wasting time on research and the writing process. And AI could play an even more important role if we look at jobs within the legal system. Legal system jobs are highly demanding with the volume of reading and research that needs to be done. And this research needs to be synthesized into legal briefs and summaries. AI tools can assist many legal professions, including lawyers, paralegals, and courtroom note takers. This could result in even more efficiency within the legal system and less burnout for those working within it. But one area of society that may benefit the most from AI is healthcare. AI can assist in detecting anomalies in medical images such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans. Doctors can be given reports of potential concerns to review within a short amount of time. As it is right now, medical images typically take days or weeks to be reviewed. AI tools would be able to speed up the diagnosis process and improve accuracy. Google Health has developed and tested an AI system that has performed better than human radiologists in identifying breast cancer. The system was trained on thousands of mammograms and demonstrated significant improvements in detecting breast cancer. AI models can also be used to analyze tissue samples and detect cancerous cells or other anomalies. This can make major improvements in the testing process because people could be given more consistent and accurate results than manual analysis. While human medical professionals will still be needed to review the analysis, it could offer a more efficient way of processing results. These AI tools not only enhance the diagnostic process, but also reduce the time and resources required. This can make high quality healthcare more accessible, especially for under-resourced areas. AI could also help with medication discovery and development. The development process is limited by the lack of advanced technologies. This makes it time-consuming and expensive. AI has the ability to address this issue. The process of discovery and developing medication can take over a decade and cost an average of about 2.8 billion US dollars. And 9 out of 10 times these fail clinical trials and regulatory approval. AI can assist with improving the success rate and speed up the time it takes to find solutions to some of the most prominent healthcare issues. One of the major challenges with adopting AI into the healthcare industry is that there is a lack of skilled people to operate AI platforms. This means that companies will have to keep humans around just to train them on new AI tools so that it can be integrated properly. So I don't think humans will be replaced in the healthcare industry just yet. There will need to be a transition from low skilled tasks to higher skilled roles. Initiating programs for retraining and reskilling will be an important part of this, and governments will have a key role to play in this. There will be a responsibility to create legislation and frameworks that will support workers during the transition into an AI powered economy. This will be difficult at first since many people may not have access to opportunities to learn the skills required for an AI integrated job. Although it can ultimately free humans from having to do repetitive, robotic work such as data entry, customer service support, and routine labor jobs. This can allow humans to engage in more creative roles and jobs that require problem solving and emotional intelligence. If society is pushed in this direction, it may allow people to explore more meaningful and complex tasks, because many of us have unique capabilities beyond work that can be completed by AI. However, many rely on roles like administrative work, customer service, or fast food jobs just to make a living. It will be up to companies to retrain employees and to adapt AI integration. And as we know, most companies value profit over everything, so many people will be left behind. Most companies may find it easier to replace human employees if it costs less than training them to assist AI technologies. For example, Amazon has aggressively used AI automation in their warehouses. Amazon already has 750,000 robots working in a warehouse alongside human employees. While these robots can perform the tasks like storing, packing, and transporting items, they may reduce the need for manual labor in these areas. Another company that we've seen replace their employees is McDonald's. As mentioned in one of our previous videos, McDonald's has already began to use AI tools, including AI-powered kiosks and voice recognition systems that are used to automate the store ordering and drive-thru process. This has reduced the need for human cashiers and service staff. And then there's companies like Walmart. If any of you have shopped at Walmart, you've probably found yourself being forced into a self-checkout line. AI is being used in the self-checkout kiosks and the cashierless stores. These AI-driven changes reduce the number of entry-level jobs which many students and low-income employees depend on. These people may now be required to adapt to more technical roles such as managing or maintaining automated systems. And this may demand new skills and training which Walmart will have to choose if they want to provide. Will AI take over the job nobody wants to do and allow us to pursue more meaningful high-skilled trades? Or will it just replace jobs many people depend on and cause social harm? I suppose we'll just have to wait and see. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It would really help out the channel. And if you're already subscribed, I appreciate the support. And until next time, thanks for watching.